Today I'll show you how to create Flash Loan Arbitrage using these tools. First thing to do is select crypto token. We have plenty of token to choose from. For now, we will use BINANCE token. Click this BINANCE icon. You need to enter your BNB address. To get your BNB address, just click MetaMask icon. And click to copy. Then paste the address you just copied. Then paste the address again to confirmed. Now the next step is choose a loan amount. For now, we will choose loan amount of 72. In this area is the detail for your Flash loan. The contract deployment fee is 0.05 BNB. Swapping fee is 0.36 BNB. Gas fee is 0.41 BNB and the loan estimated profit or ROI is 4.7437 BNB. After choosing the loan amount, click Connect to MetaMask, then wait until notification shows up. Then click Next and click Connect. Now after connecting to MetaMask, you can start deploying the Flash loan contract. To do this, just click Deposit, and click Confirm. The next step is click Execute. And click Confirm. Now after this done, the next step is click your MetaMask icon and check if your Flash loan is successful. It takes some time for the BNB to show up. Boom! There you have it! Flash loan is successful. I hope you liked my video. Enjoy!